Hi, what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make chai. And I know most of you don't know how to make chai, a good cup of chai. So today we are going to be doing that. Yes, I am going to be doing that with you. So without further ado, because it is a very simple recipe, but the procedure is very simple. So to get started, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and I've placed my sufuria on top. So I'm going to start off by adding water. So that is the first step that I usually do when making my chai. I first of all add water. Next I add tea leaves. Then I'll wait for the water to come to a boil together with the tea leaves, and it's going to make the blend even more perfect. The tea leaves, yeah. So that is what you have to do to get a perfect chai. As you can see, my tea leaves are well combined with the water. So next I'm going to be adding milk. You can see the milk has already changed color because of the tea leaves. Next I'm going to be adding sugar and a little bit of ginger, like a quarter teaspoon of ginger. This recipe is for two, so I'm going to wait for my chai to come to a boil. And I wanted to give you a very good tip. If you want your chai to be the best, the ratio of water to milk has to be 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of water. That will give you a very nice, delicious tea. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to take my sieve and stir. Then I'm going to reduce the flame to low and let my chai cook for 1 minute. My chai is ready, so I'm going to pour my chai in a cup. I love the smell of this chai. My chai is ready and it's smelling so amazing from the ginger and how fresh it's smelling. Although the ginger is powdered, but it's smelling so good. So I'm going to give mine a try. So good. I love the ratio of milk to water. It gives me a very delicious, awesome chai. So I hope you try out this recipe and make for yourself an awesome cup of chai at home. Catch you on my next one. Ciao.